Number 26. The following nuclei do not lie in the band of stability. How would they be expected to decay? And then we have to explain our answer. Okay, so Pu. This has an atomic mass or a mass number of 245 with an atomic number of 94. Now they already tell us that this does not lie in the band of stability, so that just means that this is an unstable form of this nucleide, which means that it's radioactive. Oh boy. And radioactive material always want to come back to stability. That's why they're going to decay. But the question is, how do they decay? Beta emission, positron emission, electron capture, or alpha emission? The first thing is always to look at the atomic numbers. And the atomic number is always the smaller number out of the two numbers that they give you in your nucleide notation. So this is my atomic number. Now, generally speaking, if you have an atomic number that's greater than 85, you have a huge atom. And those huge atoms, or those huge nucleides, they need to decay very quickly, and they need to get a lot of stuff off them as fast as possible. That's why, if you have an atomic number that's greater than 83, it will undergo alpha emission. Alpha is just a helium atom, but you lose, basically, 2 protons and 2 neutrons. So you're losing a lot of stuff very quickly. And in this case, I have an atomic number of 94. That's greater than lucky number 83. So just because I spotted that out, I know that plutonium, which is Pu, is gonna undergo alpha emission. So we don't even have to find any N to P ratios here because it's just a massive nucleide. And that's it. Explain your answer because it just has an atomic number greater than 83. Pretty simple. Hopefully this helped. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to help us out. Tell your friends, tell your classmates about this cool channel. I think it's pretty cool. We also have physics and math videos on the channel as well if you want to check the channel out. We love helping you guys out. We have, I think at the moment, we have over 5,000 videos just for you guys. So that's pretty chill. So, thank you so much. And I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.